Gross!
What are you doing?
Oh, watch this guy. Watch this guy. Oh my god, that is funny! Oh, you, that's funny. Hey, Taz, come check. Hey, Taz, come check this out. Oh, that's really good. How are you doing that?
I can't stop.
Well, I don't think it's dangerous.
What the f is wrong with you guys?
Oh, come on. That is hysterical. People would pay money to see... Oh.
What are you guys thinking?
Viewer request!
Too short.
Yeah, Tess, we got a gig in a week, so we gotta practice.
Come on, man.
It's funny when you talk while you burp.
YOLO's wet.
Really?
Do you think we'll actually make money out of this?
We're gonna make tons of money on this.
Give it all you got. Go!
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, we welcome you here to the Marvelous M's event of the loudest, longest burp ever. I introduce to you Taz Skinner of the Marvelous M. Oh, we're gonna make tens of dollars. All right, Taz, go!
I can't burp!
Oh, where are you going? Alright, let's do it. Okay, alright. Go!
Now I'm dizzy.
Now I'm dizzy. It's okay, it's okay.
I think it's trick.
Oh, come on, man.
That was awesome!
Failure!
I can't make it last for more than a couple seconds.
You're supposed to be like Pete at the end of American Pop.
Oh, got it.
Damn it.
I'm sorry, that's for me. That's just for me. If I build up too much, it just doesn't come out, and then it's just pressure in my...
I don't know why I'm not less fat.
What was your New Year's resolution?
To get a dragon named Captain Ticklepuff?
Wrong, Malcolm?
I'm still fat.
Really? What's wrong?
I made a video last year on that I would lose weight, and I didn't lose 80. Now people are gonna watch that video and they're gonna make fun of us.
Subscribe!